If you have bad credit and need a loan fast, it's tough, but legit options are out there. Just keep in mind that real lenders don't guarantee approval, though some are much more flexible with who they accept, making approval almost certain. In this video, we'll go through 3 realistic options to get the money you need as soon as possible. The third option is fairly new in Canada, so you might not be familiar with it yet. But first, let's talk about cost. With bad credit, unfortunately, rates can be high, climbing as high as 35%. Since your credit score signals higher risk to lenders, they compensate with higher rates. So make sure the payments work with your budget and you've considered alternatives before committing to financing that might add more stress than relief. If you've decided a loan is what you need, then here are the 3 options worth checking out. First up, secured credit cards. They're just like regular credit cards, but before you get one, you have to give the credit card issuer some of your own money, a security deposit, typically a few $100s. If you miss payments, they can dip into this cash deposit to recover their losses. In most cases, your deposit becomes your credit limit. So if you hand over $200, you can spend up to $200 on your card each month. If you don't pay off the entire amount by the due date, interest starts adding up on whatever is left. And with rates between 20 and 25%, that can get expensive fast. But secured credit cards are one of the best ways to borrow money when you have bad credit, and they can boost your credit score over time as you make your payments. Some of the go-to options in Canada are the Secured Neo MasterCard, Home Trust Secured Visa, and the Capital One Guaranteed Secured MasterCard. Next up, if you need more than a few $100s, a personal loan might make more sense. These loans can address larger needs such as emergency bills, car repair, or debt consultation. While banks typically decline bad credit applicants, there are plenty of alternative lenders who can help you. You may or may not need collateral. It depends on the lender. If you have bad credit, a common collateral to use is your car, but lenders will only accept it if it's paid off, less than 10 years old, and in good condition. Keep in mind that if you default, you could lose your car. As for where to apply, 2 of the best alternative lenders for bad credit are Spring Financial and Easy Financial, or you can apply to a loan search platform like Loans Canada or Loan Connect, which matches you with the best lenders based on one application. No matter who you choose, before signing on the dotted line, make sure you fully understand all the interest and fees you're going to pay over the life of the loan. That way you won't have regrets and feel stuck in a loan that's way too expensive, which has happened to people. Finally, if you need just a small amount of money quickly, check out cash advance apps. These apps launched in Canada around 2021, and currently there are only a handful on the market, but they've pretty much skyrocketed towards popularity. The most popular ones are KOHO, Nibble, and Bree. With these apps, you can access around $20 to $500 within minutes and take advantage of flexible repayments. There's no credit check and there's no interest. Instead, you'll pay a monthly fee, which is required or optional depending on the app. This won't cover large expenses, but if you're short on cash and need to avoid overdraft fees, late bill payments, or skipped groceries, then these apps can be a lifeline. They're one of the easiest loans to get when you have bad credit. So there you have it, 3 realistic ways to borrow money if your credit score isn't the best. Just remember to take your time, read the fine print, and choose a loan that best fits your budget and goals. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.